Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we have this 2-in-1 PC gaming headphones and controller holder. So this is basically a headphones holder where you can place your headphones, and additionally this upgraded version has these metal clips that you can add and slide it in easily, and you can place your controller. So this allows for organization and minimalistic design where you don't have to put your controller on the desk. And also to help with this organization, it also has a convenient cable clip. This little cable clip allows the cables from your headphones or maybe your charging controller not to be dangling around your desk, and it gives it a really organized design. The clamp itself is very easy to open and it's very secure on your desk. You can see that even if I try to move it, the desk moves with the clamp and the clamp stays firm without any movement at all. If you're worried about the clamp having any damage to your desk, there's always the protective rubber bands, and these rubber bands are between the clamps so that you can avoid any damages to your desk. This headphones holder makes it very convenient storage, so you can just clamp it on easily, and then this allows for storing your headset and controllers under your desk. And since it's under your desk, you can easily take it and put it on and then place it back in. And also the clamp itself is a 360 motion where you can turn it around and place it on your desk or place it in front of your desk so that it can be according to your likeness. And works with any controller. I have here a PS3 controller, and even though it's a bit outdated, it works just as fine as any other newer controllers. Only being $20 without including the 20% discount. This is definitely a great way to add space without investing money in a newer desk. This I believe is a great buy for any person out there, and it's very targeted to a lot of people who work from home, and really good for gaming where you might need to put your controller down or your headphones down in a secure and firm place. So overall, I feel like this is definitely worth your money, and you should probably check it out. You'll have here linked it below in my description if you want to check it out. And other than that, peace.